I know you remember this property because we had so many views and so many requests and people loved it and wanted to buy it. Guess what? Someone bought it. 2 artists that live in Fivizzano, and they decided they wanted to flip it. I mean, come on. They have impeccable taste and they have redone it. It is on the market for $115,000. If you liked this, it is done and waiting for you. So I'm really excited because this was the apartment you guys loved and it sold straight away. This is what they did to this with very little effort. I don't even know what to say, I'm so excited, so excited. Quanto costa questa originale?
Originale 63,000.
63,000. So this has been painted. They didn't change any of the floors.
Yes.
They cleaned everything, obviously,
Yes.
put in new lighting. Nothing is like super expensive. It's all very, what I like to say, clever design. They're still in the process, obviously, but they're gonna turn this into a lovely dining room. This is so cool what they did.
Surprise.
Oh, it's such a good surprise, Federico. You just went on the happy list, Santa's good list. Oh my God. See, these people have good taste. That's the thing, is if you have good taste, you can do anything. This is like so cool. We should flip houses here. We really should. Why am I doing this? Let's just flip houses. I mean, look how clever this is. And then they embrace the color palette, which I love. So the floor, I love this floor. I mean, you couldn't buy this floor. And then they just embraced it with using the colors of the floor. They just brought it up. And I love they warmed it up with wood. I'm just like dizzy, I'm so excited. And then they put the refrigerator in here. I mean, this is amazing what they did. I just love it. Ah, so good. I love these doors anyway, right? Look how cute this is.
Wow.
Oh God, I like this so much. I wanna like live
Very,
in
very
here.
cute.
Oh my God, these guys have the most amazing taste. They made a bathroom that's so cool out of it. I mean, I can't. This was such an ugly room. I just don't even know what to say. Oh my God, they made this incredible bathroom out of it. Visionary people. And they painted the outside pink. It's so good. I don't even, this is so good. You know, the color palette in here is cool. This black and terracotta looks so cool from up here. Oh my gosh. Fun to see everything out of here too. They ripped a bunch of stuff out. It's a little storage thing back here, which is cool. They left the original door. This all matches. So good, mind blown. Lighting, I mean.
Annette, work in the glass. Hanno fatto un lavoro nei vetri.
Yeah, they cleaned everything very well, and then they
Artigiano.
did. But this is the thing, when you use a geometer, you have very good people working with you.
Bene.
And so it makes it much easier. And then this is their bedroom, right? Very clever people. My gosh, who are these people? I want to meet them. Oh, it's a closet. I put a bathroom here.
Guardaroba.
Or you could put a bathroom here. I
Sì.
did this in Alaska, put a bathroom here. It was great.
Yes.
Oh, so good. This is amazing. Are you happy, Felice?
Sì, very, very.
I mean, this is what we should be doing in Fivizzano. This is it.
Yes.
This is the dream. You walk in, it has good bones, and then you do this. I mean, congratulations to you people that did this. I am very rarely just sort of gobsmacked and excited and go, yeah, this is what you have to do. This is so cool. Do they want to sell it again?
Yes.
They do want to sell
It's
it?
for sale. This is for sale.
They sell them. The
They're
seller.
selling it?
Yes.
We're flipping houses here. Let's go buy some houses and do this. Sold, 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 sold. So for all of you that wanted this house, because there were many, many people that wanted this house.
In the centro, Fivizzano.
No. It's sold. Someone is going to come back to this and they are going to buy this because so many people wanted this. So many people loved this. We've got so many views on this. And what they've done is impeccable. It's perfection. Well, I don't even know what else to say. Good job. Oh, this is the best. Best video ever. The best before and after we've ever done.
Bene.
And you match. You look very good here. If I didn't need a house, I would write a check for this in a minute. Someone's going to buy this immediately. As soon as it goes up, they're going to buy it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Annette.
Best before and after ever. If you got to the end of this, like and subscribe. And I just think sold, 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 sold. All right.
E subscribe.
Bye.